Hi guys, welcome back. Alpha Wolf here. So I'm going to make a very interesting video. For a while, I've not been making videos, and the reason is because I've been very busy. It has been an amazing year for me, one of the best year in my life. Should I share it now? Yeah, I got married. So because of that, I took a break from all these things. But then I'm going to be sharing something very interesting that is going to help a lot of traders out there, right? Um, I'll be sharing you guys a secret and a way you can become more profitable as a trader. Now, as a trader, when you come to the market, you need to put three things in the back of your mind that you will look for once you enter the market before you take any trade. Number one, you need to find the market structure. What is the structure of this market? Is this market in an uptrend? Is it in a low trend? Is it coming downward, a downtrend, or is it consolidating? Is it a ranging market? When you find the market structure, the next thing you need to do is to look at the price action. That particular period, that particular moment, you need to know the price action, what the price is doing, what the price is saying at that particular point in time. If you find the price action, the third thing you must do is to now look for the forex pattern. You understand? Or the trading pattern, the chart pattern, right? And I'm going to show you guys practically on my computer screen how this thing works, and I'll show you guys a way I had to learn how to master this. So this video is more for beginners, right? If you want to get the material I use, there's a particular material I use, the soft copy. I had to pay for the soft copy, then I printed it out myself, and I can actually give the material, but it's not going to be for free. If you send me a DM, I will just give you for a token. But if you have this, you can be easy, it will be easy for you to spot chart pattern on the computer screen before you take any trade. With this, then you'll be seeing the market clearly. And then I'm going to teach you what you do before you start using your money to trade. You need to demo trade demo for a long time, so that you can try all these strategies on a demo account, a live demo account. And I'm going to make a video on how you can demo trade cryptocurrencies, right? But for this one, I want to teach you this strategy. Then in my next video, you can begin to practice with it, right? So let's head over to my computer screen. Let me switch the camera. Now, beautiful. So the first thing I said in my tutorial is, alright, so the first thing I said is that you need to figure out the market structure. Now, if you look at this is Bitcoin, and I'm checking Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. If you go to the monthly time frame, to get more perspective, you can see that it is obvious that at the moment Bitcoin is on an uptrend. From the month of January 2023, Bitcoin has been going up, even though it is ranging a little for a short while. But the overall trend for Bitcoin right now from the beginning of 2023 is that Bitcoin is going up. Now, if you come to a lower time frame, which is the weekly time frame, you can confirm this, that Bitcoin is on an uptrend. You can see that Bitcoin is on an uptrend, although there was a double top here. The market came down, it's trying to come back up, but the point is Bitcoin is on an uptrend in the long run, right? So maybe in lower time frames you can see different things, but for the sake of clarity, you need to go to a higher time frame. So in the weekly time frame, you can see Bitcoin is on an uptrend. Now, if I show you guys some things I've done on the chart, I'll mark some areas. You can see this area is the lowest point it has gotten to, and this area is the highest point it has gotten to. Now, I drew a trend line. This is a trend line. This one here is a trend line to show the direction of the market. You can see that Bitcoin is on an uptrend. Now, I said when you find the market direction, some people can look at this and say, oh, it is ranging, but this is not ranging, because if it is ranging, the price will be something like this. It will go up here, come down here, go up here, come down here. But right now it is on an uptrend. And what do you expect when the market is on an uptrend? The next thing we need to do is to check the chart patterns, right? I told you that you are going to check the price action. The price action can show you that this is a strong bullish move. This Bitcoin is going up. And if you come to the daily time frame, you will see more confirmations. You can see the candlestick pattern showing that this is a bullish move. The buyers are in charge. But then the next thing we need to look out for, like I explained to you guys, is the chart pattern. Now, chart pattern, a lot of people do not know chart pattern. Me looking at this, the chart pattern I can pick here is an ascending triangle. And if you see an ascending triangle, what you should be expecting in the long term is that this market is going to go up. Now, let me use a drawing tool. With an ascending triangle, This is what I'll be expecting from this market, right? Look at it. I'm expecting the market to break this resistance area, come back and go up like this too. You understand? This is what I'll be expecting. Now let me confirm this. This book I have here, you can see this book is a book I bought. It's called Pages Library Charts and Candlestick Patterns. I was using this to learn how to study chart pattern. Now I have to go and search for a chart pattern that looks similar to what I am seeing here. And if I continue to check, I'm going to find one now. Look at this. Among all the chart pattern, this is a ascending triangle. Look at the ascending triangle. Look at it. In an ascending triangle, right? Let me show you guys. I have to clear the chart so that you guys can see it clearly. Remove drawings. Now in an ascending triangle, let me bring this to bar. First thing first is that you would see a area of resistance which is from somewhere around here. Look at it. This is a resistance area, so I have to make this one bold, 2 PS, and I have to make the color very clear so that you guys can see, right? See, this is the ascending triangle. The ascending triangle pattern. You will see a resistance area, you will see the price going up, then it will blow out, right? Now look at it here. This is an ascending triangle. This is the resistance area on the computer screen, the resistance area, right? This is it here. I've marked the resistance area, or let me mark it again. I realized I was not recording on the computer screen. I was looking at the book. Now look at this. I've marked from here. This is a resistance area. The market resisted here 2 times, resisted here 3 times. This is the 4th place. It's coming to this position now, right? And the next thing is that you see an ascending triangle. So I'm going to come to this one. I'll take a trend line. Look at it. I will draw it from the bottom up like this. You can see an ascending triangle. So what does this book show you? It shows you when you see this, an ascending triangle, what will happen is that the price will blow up. Look at it. So this is similar to the pattern we are seeing on the screen. It comes here, goes down, come here, and when it gets to this place, it go up. Look at it here. It's coming here, going down, come down here. So it is coming to this place. We'll be expecting it to do what? To blow up. So if you want to take a trade like this is on the weekly time frame, right? All you need to do is to be looking at the next major resistance. So from this chart, I can see that the next major resistance, let me show you guys something. I have to mark it. I'll use rectangle, is here. Look at it. This is the next major resistance. So I'm expecting the price to get to as high as this place, right? Then, if I want to take a trade, I'm going to come here. Look at this place. I'll come to my long. I will enter my trade. I'll wait for it to come probably around this place if there's a resistance here, and I'm going to take the trade to as high as this place, and I'll put my stop loss. Look at this. This analysis is for a long term. This is on the weekly time frame. So on the daily time frame, there might be a lot of noise, a lot of retracement and different things happening in the market, but in the long run, what we'll be expecting is that the price will go up from now to probably entering next year. So we're expecting Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, to actually blow out in 2024, right? That is what I'll be expecting based on the pattern I'm seeing here, because on this weekly time frame, the pattern I'm seeing here is a strong ascending triangle pattern, which shows that there will be a blowout. Look at it. They said when you see an ascending triangle, there will be an upward breakout. So for you that you're a trader, you need something like this kind of book, right? This is what I did. I got the book, I paid for the soft copy, and then I started using it to analyze, looking at the chart. Although I know a lot of these patterns already, right? So it's not like it's something new to me. I use it to take trades, right? So in the end of this video, I'm going to put a link in the description. If you want this book, this book is not going to be expensive. Like, it's the soft copy I'll be giving out because I actually paid for it before I went to print it out. If you have like 2,000 naira, I can get this. If you want it, the soft copy, then you can go and print it out. But if not, you can check on the internet if you can get a comprehensive book that will show you chart patterns. That being said, if you find this content helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop more interesting content, you will not miss out. And by the way, what else do I want to say? I will drop a video on how you can use this to demo trade, right? Bye for now. I love you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video.